Hello, welcome in today to episode number 2 in the brand new series AMQ. And this series has been put together by myself, Adrian Hart. And like I said, it's going to be a weekly series going forward where we answer your affiliate marketing questions. So welcome in to episode number 2. What's in episode number 2? Well, episode number 2 is going to be answering more of your affiliate marketing questions. And this one is going to be geared towards how to get started with affiliate marketing. We're going to go over 6 easy steps that you can do to start right now, and then we're going to recap episode number 2 so you don't miss anything included in this episode. So AMQ, our second question is how to get started with affiliate marketing. So today we've got 6 easy steps to get started today. So number 1, you're going to decide on your niche. Number 2, you're going to choose your platform. Number 3, you're going to find relevant affiliate marketing programs. Number 4, you're going to create valuable content. Number 5, you're going to build your audience. And number 6, you're going to drive traffic to your links. So step number 1, decide on your niche. You're going to want to identify your interests. So you want to ask yourself these questions when you're trying to decide on your niche. What do I do in my spare time that I really enjoy to do? What do I like to learn about? And this is a big one. What do you care enough about to spend time on it every single day? Then you want to identify problems that you can solve. So the main goal is to solve a customer base's problem. Take time to brainstorm and research the market to find a problem that you can solve. And what unique value do you bring to the table? We all have a unique skill set that our life path has taught us. What is yours? So when you combine all of this, you will find that it brings you down to a fine point that is your niche. So take the time and really get to decide which niche you're going to go with. You really want to get down to a fine point with your niche. The finer point you can get to with your niche, the better you will be off. So just remember to keep this in mind. Step number 1, decide your niche. Identify your interests. Identify problems you can solve. And what unique value do you bring to the table? Step number 2, choose your platform. What social media platforms is my target audience on? Good question to think about when choosing your platform. Where does my target audience build communities on? Another great question to ask yourself when choosing your platform. Where in general is my niche visible online? This is a good one. Think about it. If you've decided your niche, now where is your niche visible online? Do they use Instagram, TikTok, Facebook? These are questions you want to know. And then you want to learn the features and limitations of each platform so that when you pick one, you are able to use it to its full advantage to help you and your business grow. So remember, when choosing your platform, you want to think about these 4 questions and make sure you take time to ask yourself these questions and really take the time to answer them. Step number 3, find relevant affiliate marketing programs. So there's going to be a few different ways that you want to do this. You want to check the main affiliate networks. You're going to check companies' website. So like, for example, at the bottom of a lot of companies' websites, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will find the word affiliate there, and you can click on that and find out about their affiliate stuff. You can use the affiliate program directories, and definitely this one is big. Utilize social media groups. So for example, let's go back to Facebook. If you're in a Facebook group, you can check and see if somebody in that group has a relevant affiliate marketing program that might help you or something that you could use in your niche. So you definitely want to make sure you're doing the research before picking your affiliate marketing program. But you definitely want to make sure these are some of the ways that you can come across and you can find affiliate marketing programs. So you want to use those, and again, like I said, utilize social media groups. I can't say that enough. It is definitely big when helping to look for relevant affiliate marketing programs. Step number 4, create valuable content. This is absolutely critical to affiliate marketing. You want to write about events that are related to your niche. You want to stay authentic, write the truth. Don't post BS sales numbers you've reached. It's only going to come to bite you in the butt down the road. So as I say, stay authentic, write the truth, be honest. It just works much better. Keep your audience in mind. Tell a story, but make sure your stories are easy to read. Mix it up. If you like writing super long story-like posts, make a shorter one every once in a while. Keep things fresh for your content and your audience. And set and stick to a content schedule. I can't emphasize this enough. Having your content out there on a consistent, regular basis is absolutely massive for affiliate marketing. So for step number 4, create valuable content. Write about events related to your niche. Stay authentic, write the truth. Keep your audience in mind. Tell a story that is easy to read. Mix things up and set and stick to a content schedule, and this will help you a lot. So step number 5 is build your audience. And how are we going to do that? Well, by sticking to your content schedule with regular content, your audience will grow. By providing valuable, consistent content, your audience will again grow. Get active on social media. How is your audience going to find you if you're not out there for them to see? Engage with your audience. If you are posting amazing, valuable, consistent content and you are getting engagements on your content, make sure that you are responding and reaching out to those people that are engaging on your content. This is key, and this will help continue to grow your audience while doing affiliate marketing. So remember, step number 5, build your audience. Stick to your content schedule. With regular content, your audience will grow. Provide valuable, consistent content. Get active on social media and engage with your audience. Step number 6, drive traffic to your links. How are you going to do that? Offer high-value content, like we mentioned before. A lot of these steps will tie in together. Answer questions your target audience is asking, and make those offers. If you're not making offers, then you're going to be making 0 sales. So don't forget to go ahead and make those offers so that you can get those sales. Have a call to action in your content. If you're offering regular, consistent, high-value content, then in those content, you want to make sure you're asking your audience to call to action, whether it be raise a hand in the comments down below, comment down below so that I can reach out to you and we can get in touch. These are all call to actions, and this is something that is huge for driving traffic to your links and making those offers. So step number 6, drive traffic to your links. Offer high value content. Answer questions your target audience is asking. Make those offers. Remember, no offers equals no sales. Have a call to action in your content. So here we are with AMQ. Episode 2 is now complete. Let's recap, shall we? So anyone can get started with affiliate marketing, as it is a simple business model with plenty of opportunities to scale up to a 6 or even 7-figure income. You have a drive to learn new skills, you are willing to make mistakes and learn from them, then this can be for you. And remember, we have, we have 6 easy steps to get started. Decide on your niche. Choose your platform. Find relevant affiliate marketing programs. Create valuable content to help build trust. Build your audience and drive traffic to your links. So don't forget the 6 steps to get starting with affiliate marketing today. Number 1, decide on your niche. Number 2, choose your platform. Number 3, find relevant affiliate marketing programs. Number 4, create valuable content to build trust. Number 5, build your audience. And last but not least, number 6, drive traffic to your links. This has been AMQ Affiliate Marketing Questions Series, episode number 2. See you guys next week for episode number 3. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.